These are the birds that I'm talking about. They eat everything. They eat every other bird. Picking it. I don't know where they come from. They're far in a crew. And in this time of the year, seems like I think I see other video about them in America, in a park. So this time of the year they come to Jamaica. They eat every other bird, picking it, every insect, lizard, snails, every insect. They are like scavenger. Look at them. Look at them, motherfuckers. Look at them. All my storm come home. The all my storm, eh? Fame house, this you know, fame place. Him is a man him spend like a whole day right there so. And don't move, but I figure out he wasn't there yesterday. Alright, let me make you get a closer look at old my storm. Hey buddy, come home. And he will spend the whole day at the same spot.